We have discussed earlier how to convert an angle from a degree measure to a radian measure, or from a radian measure to a degree measure. In today's lesson, we will discuss how to find the cosine and the sine of any angle given in radian measure. To do so, we have to follow the following steps. Let's take an example. What is the exact value of cosine pi over 4 radians? To do so, first of all you have to identify whether your angle is in degree or radian. Pi over 4 is in radians. Step 2, you have to change the calculator into the suitable mode. That means we have to change our calculator to radian mode. To change your calculator to radian mode, you have to follow the following steps. Step number 1, you press Shift and Mode. You will have a list of several modes. You choose number 4, so you press number 4 on your calculator. Then the calculator will change into radian mode and it will appear as a letter R on the screen of your calculator. Once this step is done, you can now find the cosine or the sine of any radian measure. You plug cosine pi over 4 radians as is after you have changed your calculator to radian mode, and the answer will be radical 2 over 2. Again, after you have done that, you have to return your calculator back into its degree mode, or what we'd like to say as the normal mode. How do we do so? You press Shift again, Mode. Now you choose from the list number 3, which is degree. Then a letter D will appear on the screen. Once a letter D appears on the screen, this means your calculator is on degree mode and you can conduct any calculations. Let's take some examples. How to find the cosine and the sine of some radian measures. For example, sine pi over 2 radians. Again, our angle is in radian. We change the mode of our calculator into radians by pressing Shift, Mode, and then we choose number 4 from the list, and then R will appear on our screen. We plug in sine pi over 2 radians, and the answer would be 1. Cosine pi radians, same steps are followed, the answer would be -1. Cosine pi over 2 radians, same steps followed, the answer would be 0. Don't forget to return back to degree mode in order to do any normal calculations.